This is one of my mom's many cookbooks. She was an avid collector, attributing the source wherever possible. I've been meaning to make my grandma's, who we affectionately call Mama's, famous carrot pickle. And once I found these gorgeous Indian carrots on sale, I knew this was my day. This pickle has very simple ingredients and a host of spices that get fried in oil with other aromatics. Sugar is added, and finally, vinegar to round off and preserve it. The carrot slices are then added in, and it's allowed to steep in the pickling gravy. I'm going to start by cutting 200 grams of carrots, and you can either dry this in the sun, your countertop, or like me, use a dehydrator. To make the masala, I've got 5 to 7 Kashmiri chillies. This is roughly 14 grams, and I've just taken the stems off. I'm going to add this to my food processor. Next, I'm going to add in a few more ingredients. 1 teaspoon, roughly 15 grams of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of roasted fenugreek seeds, and 1 to 2 green chilies. You can add more if you want this spicier. 5 cloves of garlic, that's roughly 10 grams, and a 1-inch piece of ginger, that's roughly 10 grams as well. Add a little bit of water and grind it. This is quite coarse, so I'm going to add a little bit more. I added about 50 ml of water in total. Once it's ground, just keep it aside. In my pot, I'm going to add 60 ml of oil. The oil is important to help preserve this pickle. I'm adding a few additions to my mama's recipe. 1 teaspoon, roughly 15 grams of mustard seeds. I'm also going to add another 2 green chilies that I've slit in half, and 8 curry leaves. And a 1-inch piece of ginger that I've julienned, that's roughly 10 grams. Now to get all of that ground masala into the hot oil and allow it to cook for 5 to 7 minutes. This is a small batch, so watch it carefully so it doesn't burn. There is some masala left in the food processor, and I never like this to go to waste, so I'm going to add 15 to 20 ml of vinegar into the processor, and I'm going to shake it vigorously. Into the pot, I'm going to add salt to taste, and once this is cooked for a little bit, I'm going to add 25 grams of sugar. Just allow the sugar to melt and cook for another 5 minutes or so. Now I'm going to add all of the vinegar, and I'm going to cook this for another 3 to 5 minutes. Now add in the dehydrated carrots and give it a few minutes to soak in. And then I'm just going to allow this mixture to cool, and once it's cool, I'm going to bottle it. This will store well in your fridge for months. Enjoy.